Hello, good day. Today we're going to be considering BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 2. BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 2. Calculate the power of a pump in watts. The power of a pump in watts required to lift 160 kg of water through a vertical height of 3 meters in 30 seconds. So we have to calculate the power of a pump, and like we know, the unit of power is watts. Now our options: A says 160 watts, B 1600 watts, C 480 watts, and D says 960 watts. Now before we go, I want to remind us what power means. Power simply means the rate of doing work. The rate of doing work. That's the meaning of power. Power means the rate of doing work. This means that power is giving us work over time. Power is giving us work over time, and like we know, work here, the formula for calculating work is what? Force times distance. Force times distance, meaning that work is the product of force and the distance. Definitely power will be equals to force times distance all over time. Time. Now in our question here, they say we should calculate the power of a pump in watts required to lift 160 kg, which is the mass of water, through a vertical height of 3 meters in 30 seconds. Now we don't have the force, but we have the distance, which is 3 meters, and we have our time, which is 30 seconds. So now how do we find the force? How do we find force? Now force is giving us mass m times acceleration a, and acceleration a, because we are dealing with what? We are dealing with gravity. We are dealing with height. Now acceleration can also be given as what? Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity, because we are dealing with heights now. Acceleration due to gravity, which is g, and like we're given, g is equals to what? 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second square. So definitely our force is equals to what? Mass times acceleration due to gravity, g, and this is equals to 160 times 10. 160 times 10. 10 is our acceleration due to gravity, and this will give us what? 1600 Newton. So our force is equals to mass times acceleration due to gravity, and our mass is 160 kg, times 10, which is the acceleration due to gravity, and to give us 160 Newton. So therefore our force is equals to 1600 Newton. So 1600 multiplied by our distance, which is 3 meters. Our distance is 3 meters, and our time is what? 30 seconds. So now we divide this 0 here, we cancel this 0 here, and the 3 here, we cancel this 3. So we are left with what? We are left with 160 watts. So our answer is 160 watts, and from the option A says what? 160 watts. So 160 watts is the power of a pump that is required to lift 160 kg of water through a vertical height of 3 meters in 30 seconds. So 160 watts is our answer A. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.